So yun guys, good afternoon. Try natin itong spinning minnow natin na 0.5 grams. Tapos itong shadow for the wheel na at saka itong mabili natin na fishing reel 7,000 series. Try natin guys. Look. Oh, first catch guys. Dali. Parang pa. This first catch natin guys. So, yan. See? Ayan yung minnow natin. 0.5 grams. Tayo sa mga book. Nice, first catch. Ulit po guys. Okay. For the go. Thank you Lord. Tagay yung natin, libangan sana natin dito ito. Tuloy na natin. Aray! Ow! Nice. Lord.